Okay, I'm a divorce attorney, which means I get a lot of people calling in with references to like reality TV or movies that they saw. And so one of the things that keeps popping up is everyone's talking about like having the receipts and the timeline. And first of all, I'm a lawyer. I love receipts. I love evidence. I love timelines. Like, keep them coming. But I want to tell you something you might not be thinking about when you are trying to get receipts on maybe like an affair or proof that your spouse is a narcissist. So from a divorce lawyer's perspective, I want to talk to you guys about receipts. So number one, I love some good exhibits. I love some good information gathering by clients. If you've got the smoking gun picture, if you have the text messages, fantastic. This video is for the people that don't quite have it, but are worried that they need it. Number one, when you're going through a divorce, you do not have to prove that your spouse has had an affair. You do not have to like have the picture of them entering the bedroom of someone else. A lot of times you can infer an affair by like a bunch of information compiled all at once. And I also want to give you guys a word of caution. Are you cranking on trying to get that evidence? Are you obsessed with it? Are you thinking of all the different ways you and your girlfriends can like swoop in and catch someone in the act? As dramatic as that is and as satisfying as that might be, I want to ask you to back off a little bit. Most of the time, text messages, timelines, just a person's intuition, those are sufficient when you talk to your divorce lawyer about kind of describing the stuff that led to your breakup. But I also want to ask you to consider talking to an attorney and finding out that the smoking gun proof of someone having an affair does not just save the day and give you that 90-10 split of your property that you're looking for. A lot of times in divorce, judges and mediators are very aware that there's infidelity in a lot of different cases. Sometimes judges are of the opinion that it takes two people to lead to the breakup of a marriage. It's not just one person's fault. So if you don't have the receipts and if you don't have the smoking gun picture, don't worry. It's not the end of the world. Number one, you probably have enough information to paint the picture of someone having an affair. And number two, be careful that you're not cranking too hard in your brain and obsessing over something that might be important, but is only 20% of the overall issues in your case. So love reality TV, love all the receipts talk, love a good receipt exhibit every once in a while in court, love the smoking gun, but don't fret if you don't have it, you might not need it, and it might not matter. Hope it helps.